A good product is a result of awe-inspiring innovation, impeccable engineering, and exacting quality control. A good product doesn't just solve a problem, it makes living joyful. A good product is the only aim worth pursuing on the journey to perfection. With more than 600 unique products for an array of automobiles. Karnavati Car Air Conditioners Private Limited are proud to be leading manufacturers and exporters of auto cooling systems. KCPL offers multiple categories of brazed aluminium heat exchangers such as radiators, condensers, CAC intercoolers, evaporators, and battery cooling plates. And these are marketed by our well-knit network of 400 dealers across India and SAARC countries. Our large range of products caters passenger cars, buses and trucks, farm equipment, industrial gensets, cranes and earth movers, mining and construction equipment. A company is as strong as its manufacturing unit and as efficient as its technical prowess. KCPL's 1 lakh plus square feet manufacturing space in Ahmedabad is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure, resources, and good connectivity to national and international shipping routes. The hydraulic tube cutting shop and the press shop are the heart of our manufacturing, where tools and dies are developed and kept in order to produce a wide range of parts. There is also an in-house development facility to design new models and new tools. KCPL has various types of lowered fin profiles for precise fin manufacturing with high speed, precision, and agility. The PLC-controlled machines ensure absolute accuracy and can increase or decrease the production rate as per requirement. KCPL employs a combination of semi-automatic and manual core builders to maintain the large product range on offer. No size is too big or too small for our core builders, and we take pride in offering customization services to all our clients. Product quality in our field is directly related to the control of brazing process, and a continuous no-colloc brazing line from Seco Warwick offers a high degree of regulation of this aspect. KCPL uses advanced crimping machinery, quality gaskets, and virgin-grade tanks well suited to all different models to churn out an industry-ready product. Henry Ford said, "Quality means doing it right when no one is watching." KCPL adheres to the latest ISO and QMS standards. The company has efficient control system in place to monitor production activity in real time and gather data for analysis to continuously strive towards improvement in product quality. The ERP system brings in minute-to-minute data from the factory floor and the offices. Formal and clear-cut process flow diagrams direct the proceedings to ensure maximum efficiency. The PFMEA tool helps identify risks and potential failures to prepare appropriate action plans to ensure that products are as per the requirement. There is a control plan in place for each step of the production cycle to ensure product quality, fulfillment of customer requirements, adherence to standard operating procedure, consistency in input and output, and a safe, creative work environment for all. The products are tested using high precision pressure to ensure zero defect. A company staff is its pride and the core of its performance. KCPL offers general and process-based trainings to all staff members from time to time to ensure non-stop development of skills. KCPL uses many third-party product development resources such as pressure pulse testing machine, vibration testing machine, thermal cycle test machine, ultimate tensile test machine, 3D image measuring machine, tube pressure test machine, KCPL offers guaranteed quality and service by implementation of ISO certifications, ISO 9001-2015 QMS, and we remain constantly committed to further raising the standards of our product range. The future of automobiles is electric, and KCPL is well prepared to face the challenge. Our research and development team is incessantly working to design and analyze the requirements of electric and ICE-powered automobiles. Success is a journey, not a destination. At KCPL, we believe in continuously moving further, higher, deeper, to forever ensure the implementation of state-of-the-art technology to produce superior quality products that not just cater customer requirements, but also create a culture of innovation, diligence, and success for all.